Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install a GLAS.tR Easy Fit Sensor Protected Screen Protector from the Spigen brand for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can also use this tutorial to install it on another smartphone brand. This screen protector is very easy to install and provides maximum protection for your screen. In the box, you'll find two Spigen GLAS.tR Easy Fit Sensor Protected Screen Protectors, alcohol wipes, microfiber cleaning cloth, dust removal sticker, a spatula. Make sure to work in a clean, dust-free environment. Turn off your iPhone 15 Pro Max to facilitate the installation. Steps: 1. Clean your screen. Use the alcohol wipes to clean your screen and remove any traces of dust or grease. 2. Remove the protective film. 3. Align the screen protector with your screen. Four, gently press the screen protector to install it. 5. Wait for 30 seconds. 6. If you have air bubbles, you can eliminate them by gently pressing the screen protector with the spatula. Most cases are compatible with the GLAS.tR Easy Fit. The GLAS.tR Easy Fit Sensor Protected is available for $17. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.